Hello everyone, Alan from Technology Moments. This flash video just to show you very quickly facts about this fantastic device I actually thought was not gonna be of great help. I had very recently installed this car audio device, which by the way is fantastic, and I had two options: transmit through FM to my stereo system or directly connect it to my audio input through its auxiliary port. FM did not just came even close to the audio quality that you'd expect from any good audio system, so I decided to use the auxiliary audio input with an extraordinary sound. However, simply put, I just bought this one, connected it, input here, output to your stereo system, and problem was solved. If you're experiencing this same difficulty, give this little device a shot. See you next time.